Hi, welcome back to our financial journey. So today I want to talk about Lucid, ticker is LCID. So Lucid just tweeted something that's going to cause the price to skyrocket this week. So ultimately I want to talk on why right now is the best time to buy into Lucid, and ultimately give my price prediction what I do see it at the end of the week. But before I get into any of that, you guys know the deal. Smash the thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel significantly. For those that are new to the channel, I do daily videos on trending stocks, crypto, I do it all. So definitely subscribe. Also, take a look at my Discord, link in the description below. It's a free chat that brings individuals together with the common theme of investing, making money, all that fun stuff. Because at the end of the day, that's what we invest, right? We invest in Lucid to make money and have fun. So definitely join Discord. It's a good place to be. But with all that said, let's get right into it. So just want to start off by going over the tweet that just came out by Lucid, and is a picture. And as you can see, 6 vehicles, and that is huge. Again, it just goes to show the fact that they are set for their deliveries. As far as how many, we don't know yet. At least there is going to be deliveries. And I did do a poll on YouTube. Will we see Lucid deliver cars in October? 41% said yes. 21% said not as expected, but still having deliveries. 30% saying that they will delay it. I love seeing this, and it's no words, just perfect, it speaks volumes for itself. So in my opinion, that will definitely cause the price to skyrocket this week, because as you can even see, 30% of individuals were assuming that they were going to delay it. Now, those 30% will hopefully with this be confirmed and buy into Lucid. This among itself will be a massive catalyst. Again, this is perfect, just a picture with hashtag dream ahead. Again, this is just a lot of things, and I do anticipate that they will actually deliver more than expected. So far, they haven't let us down as far as the results. They've exceeded their expectations in many different degrees. And in my opinion, I do feel that a lot of individuals and analysts are just being overly critical on Lucid, when in reality, they're just upset the fact that they didn't buy cheaper. And again, it's one of those things, we won't be seeing the 20s any longer after this week. I highly do anticipate the price to appreciate to around the $30 range by the mid of the week, and especially by Friday I see us 35 plus. Again, that's very optimistic, but again, it comes down to it. I do feel that Lucid will definitely exceed our expectations as far as deliveries. So in my opinion, this is one massive reason to buy into Lucid. And another point why I do feel that right now is the best time to buy into Lucid, this was brought up as a hypothetical several months ago, but it was actually just addressed a couple days ago again by Peter, as far as Lucid's plans for a $25,000 vehicle. This is definitely very good, and ultimately at the end of the day, it gives a little bit more of a target as far as a date. And I do like this article because it does break down as far as what Peter actually said, and Peter does say that a $25,000 vehicle can be attained in around 4 years, given that if there is a partnership. Without a partnership, it could be anywhere between 8 to 9 years. So overall, definitely a very good reason to buy into Lucid, because it's one of those things that Lucid is looking forward in the future. They know what people want, and they know how to go at Lucid. And in here, it does go at the fact that they are going to be competing with Tesla's future offering in that price range, not with the Model 3. So at the end of the day, this is a massive reason to buy in as well. Having a potential $25,000 vehicle within around 4 years, and Lucid is hot, is popular, and I do anticipate that there is going to be a lineup of individuals and companies that are willing to do partnerships with them. And it comes down to the fact that, who knows, Apple could come back into the picture. Maybe they will kind of disregard their vehicle that they're working on and jump ship and just work with Lucid. That would be, I can't even imagine what that would do for the price. That would be astronomical. Ultimately, at the end of the day, these are the two reasons I strongly feel are very good buying opportunities right now. And definitely take a look at my other videos on Lucid. I bring up almost a new catalyst every single video. Another reason to buy, whether it be right now or in the future. Lucid is a definitely strong buy in my opinion. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence at the end of the day. And finally, I just want to end with this. As far as short interest on Lucid, because I have been bringing this up quite a lot, there's been a little bit of an uptrend. It is starting to retrace back, but you can see as of right now, 8.75 is the short interest on Lucid, 73.93 is the utilization, and on a day-by-day change, it did decrease increased by 2.52%, which works out to be 1.35 million shares being returned. And you can see on the chart right here, the yellow line, it is having this nice little downtrend going on here because, again, I've mentioned this other videos, you have to be really stupid to short Lucid going into this week. This week is going to be the one that is the defining moment in Lucid. And of course, it is a very pivotal one when it comes down to the fact that there is risks involved. Keep that in mind as well when you are investing. Lucid by no means is a surefire win. Just as far as a risk versus reward level, it's very, very high. So when it comes down to the fact that if they don't meet their deliveries, or if they do hypothetically delay it, like I even said on my poll, if they somehow do delay it, then yeah, as far as a price range, this would get hit quite hard. But the likelihood of that actually happening are very slim. And you can even see on the chart right here, shorts are closing out their positions. They do anticipate the price to obviously increase significantly because of their deliveries. And finally, I just want to show you this as far as other institutions and hedge funds. Obviously, we already know shorts are closing their positions, and you can see institutions and hedge funds are adding to their position. Yes, there's a couple that did close out the position, but again, when it comes down to it, doesn't actually outline exactly what these were. These could be puts or whatever it might have been, but as far as institutions adding, they have been continuously adding, and you can see quite a lot. And when it comes down to the fact that more and more institutions and hedge funds are going to be showing their 13Fs that they do and did buy into Lucid, is keep in mind when these 13Fs, it's within the 3 months prior that they would have obviously bought Lucid. And September the 1st is only a month and a half behind us, and that was when it was around $15. I do anticipate that obviously a lot more hedge funds and institutions did buy in that time, just obviously haven't disclosed it as of yet. Again, all massive reasons to buy, but ultimately at the end of the day, let me know what you're doing. If you're buying, selling, holding, or what you're doing this week. If you're looking for a pop, where you see the price going, whatever it might be, let me know. Also, let me know what you think about deliveries. Let me know if you are, what kind of question or criteria you would select. If you think that they're going to be due as far as deliveries in October, if you're going to be thinking that they aren't going to be as, like, basically, or you can just pop in and answer this question, whatever works best for you. I do strongly feel they will meet their deliveries, and this will go to around $35 at least. If you haven't already, definitely smash the thumbs up and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. If you do like my channel, want to support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom of the screen. I greatly appreciate that. It definitely helps my channel significantly. But with all this said, I appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make a lot of money on Lucid.